you clean a room? How do you clean a room? Y'all, how do you clean a room? How do you clean a room? Do you sit there and look at all the mess, the disorganization in the room? And the more you look at the clutter, the mess, the disorganization, the feeling bad that your place has gotten to this point, and oh, woe is me, and that's just too much. I don't even know where to begin. I done let stuff go, and all those negative feelings, and you get stuck because you can't move forward. But tell me, what has to end up happening once you looking at all the mess, right? Reflecting on, how did it get this way? How could I do, you looking at the past, how could I let myself down? Oh my God, maybe I'm just not good enough. All them negative things, what really has to happen? In order for this to get right, what's got to happen? You got to clean it up. That's what. You're going to have to get up and clean it up. You're going to have to start with a little part and start cleaning it up.